Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to mark all emails as read in Outlook. So, as you can see, I'm using the Microsoft 365 Outlook version that comes with Office 365. And if you want to mark all the emails as read, what you're gonna do is you can select each email and select mark as read. But if you want all, what you want to do is to press Control and select these emails you want to mark as read, and then you can do just mark as read. What I'm going to do right now is markers are read, and if you want all emails, go to your inbox, press Control A, and while holding the Control button and A, just click on an email. It should, mark all the emails you have in your inbox. As you can see, it has done right now for me. Now right click and mark as read. So this is it. As you can see, now I do not have any unread emails in my inbox. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.